Hi, Craig here with PROCAM, and look what I have, the new Sony A9 III. These are officially released on February 8th, 2024. We have them in stock. I can hook you up on February 8th, 2024. But it's the most amazing camera ever made. It's the first full-blown pro camera with a global shutter, and we'll talk about that in a few minutes. But let's unbox one and see what it comes with. So I've got a brand new A9 III body in the box. Okay, I got some paperwork to be expected, power cord, strain relief for other cables. But wait, what is this? An honest-to-God charger. I don't have to charge via USB. It's fantastic. A neck strap to go with my camera. A new fresh battery to go with my camera, and more importantly, the camera itself, the Sony A9 III. Now, this camera is 24.6 megapixels. The way it sits right now, let's toss a battery in here. It's one of the first, not one of, it is the first full-frame camera with a global shutter. What that means is, on your typical sensor, it's actually reading a line of information at a time. The global shutter is literally recording all the information off that sensor at the exact same time, eliminating rolling shutter and all the problems that kind of came along with that. Now, on top of that, it's a blackout-free camera. It'll shoot up to 120 frames a second. It'll keep AF and AE happening while all that's going on. And it has an AI, artificial intelligence processor. I'm not even quite sure where that's going to take us in the future, but it's going to take us to places we've never seen before. But we have it in stock. It's compatible with all your Sony E-mount lenses. So if you're already a Sony user, this is a perfect addition to your kit. The new top-of-the-line A3, we have them in stock. Available February 8th, 2024 at any of our PROCAM locations, and also online at www.procam.com. How cool is that? Come see us. Get your A9 III today, because you know you need one. If you're shooting professional, you need one of these. Thank you very much. My name's Craig.